Hello, welcome to my class. I'm Pamela Jasmine. Today I'm going to take the MCQs of climate. A warm ocean current which appears off the coast of Peru in South America. El Nino. How does North India get rainfall in winter? The winds and cyclones rising from the Mediterranean Sea, that is western disturbance, bring rainfall to North India. Why does Ooty has much lower temperature than Kochi? Ooty is in the higher altitude. There is a decrease in temperature for every 166 meters of height. What is it called? Normal lapse rate. Why does the length of the day increases from March to May? In summer. It is due to the northward movement of the path of the sun's vertical rays. The strong and dusty winds which blow during daytime over northern and western India which cause a heat stroke, Lu. What type of wind is monsoon? It is a periodic wind. What is its direction during summer? Direction is southwest. Name any two states that receive rain in January and February. Give reason. Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir. That is western disturbance. Why? Jaipur, that is Rajasthan, has higher diurnal and annual range of temperature. Jaipur is far away from the moderating influence of the sea. Which winds are responsible for the rainfall experienced over the greater part of India? Southwest monsoon. India gets plenty of rainfall, but still it experiences scarcity of water. Why? All the rain is concentrated during a few months, that is June to September. Which state experiences the longest monsoon? Kerala. Which state experiences the shortest monsoon season? Jammu and Kashmir. Why does entire India experiences tropical monsoon climate? The climate of India is mainly affected by the presence and influence of Himalayas. Or Himalayas trap the monsoon winds and give tropical monsoon climate. Name two coldest areas in India, Dras and Kargil. Why is Rajasthan dry? The Aravalli range is parallel to the direction of southwest monsoon. What is the direction of winter monsoon? Northeast. Why are northeast monsoon winds incapable of producing rain? They blow from land to sea, so it does not have moisture. Why does the hot weather in South India not as intense as in North India? The moderating influence of the sea together with the peninsula situation of the south keep the temperature low. The sudden violent onset of rainfall, burst of monsoon. Which thunderstorm is beneficial for jute cultivation? Bardoli Chira. Which are the two branches of southwest monsoon? Arabian Sea branch and Bay of Bengal branch. Which branch of the southwest monsoon is obstructed by the western Ghats? The first branch of the Arabian Sea branch. Why does Mahabaleshwar get 250 centimeter of rainfall and Pune receives only 70 centimeter? Mahabaleshwar is in the windward side of the western Ghats, whereas Pune is in the leeward side. Why does Kolkata receive about 120 centimeter rainfall and Delhi receives only 56 centimeter rainfall? There is a decrease in rainfall as one goes from east to west. Name 2 months associated with retreating monsoon. October, November. 2 features of tropical climate. Relatively higher temperature throughout the year and dry winter. Strong winds that blow towards equator from the northeast to southeast. trade winds or planetary winds. Thunderstorms developed in hot weather which cause some rainfall in Karnataka that is useful for coffee cultivation. Cherry blossom. Name two states in the eastern coast which are struck by tropical cyclones. Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Which local which local wind is beneficial for Kerala? Mango shower. Name the state that first experienced the onset of monsoon. Kerala. The northern plains, that is Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, etc. Northern plains have continental type of climate. Northern plains are located away from the moderating influence of the sea. Name the wind that bring heavy rainfall to Cherrapunji. Southwest monsoon. What is the source of rain in Punjab? Western disturbance. Why Patna receives heavier rain than Delhi? The monsoon winds in Indo-Gangetic plains move from east to west. The moisture content is reduced when it reaches Delhi. Bangalore is not cold even in the month of December because of the moderating influence of the sea. What is it called if the southwest monsoon winds fail to bring rainfall for 2 or more weeks and there is a dry period? Break of monsoon. Name 3 states where dust storms are very common in May. Punjab, Haryana and eastern Rajasthan. Why does Tamil Nadu coast remain dry during monsoon? Chennai is located on the eastern coast, that is in the leeward side of the Western Ghats. Why does monsoon retreat? The monsoon trough of low pressure over the Ganga plains become weaker due to apparent southward movement of the sun. The combination of high temperature and humidity during the retreat of monsoon. October heat. The bulk of the rainfall of the Coromandel coast is derived from depressions and cyclones. What is the cause of tropical cyclones? Local variations of heat and moisture. Name 2 months associated with tropical cyclones. November, December. Which is the transition period between the hot rainy season and cold dry season? October, November. Which is the coldest month in winter? January. Why there is no clear-cut winter in the south? The southern zone has the midday sun almost vertically overhead twice a year. Name the inflow of depression from the west and northwest. Western disturbance. What type of wind prevails during the cold weather over the country? Northeast monsoon winds. Name 2 stations having equable climate. Mumbai and Chennai. For which crop the rain brought by the western disturbance beneficial? Wheat. It is a rabi crop. For which crop the rain, what is cold wave? What is cold wave? The wind which blows when the temperature falls below 5 degrees Celsius. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. God bless.